Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to Tarot Danes 369. If you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. If you have any query for this reading, you can always comment down. And if you're interested in one-on-one personal readings, you can always contact me for further inquiries. This is a general timeless reading for the collective, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's check out what are the energies for today. So people, I'm seeing whatever you are doing, wherever you are going, it is time to turn inside, to connect with that inner wisdom and step up and lead from the front and include your spiritual practices intensely. These are the implications you need to make. I mean, these are the basics of whatever you are doing, the foundation. So in terms of your general life things, or your personal growth, your career, or maybe your relationships, these are the things you need to tune into, you know, to make the maximum of what you want to achieve, as you are being guided by your ancient wisdom, those ancestral, your oldies who have that bulk of knowledge, who have walked this earth earlier. So you have that in your DNA, I would say. So you need to apply this wisdom, you know uh, uh, with that experience, whatever the knowledge you have gained so far. Look here at the bottom of the deck. You have these teachings embedded, in you, by default. You just need to, unravel them. And this is the time to stand up and take that lead role. You know, people are looking up to you, maybe in whatever field you are or in general. So you need to lead from the front this time. And uh, you know uh, integrate those spiritual lessons, your intuition, and that divine guidance will speak volumes currently. So just merge your knowledge, your intuition, your practical and logical approach here. It is time to break those old patterns and your limiting beliefs and embrace your authenticity fearlessly. And with that, uh, spiritual backup, you can achieve anything and everything. Look, 444 as I'm recording it. See, the divine power is in play. So make the most of it. This is mass spiritual awakening I'm seeing.